Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to Trending Reviews. So today I've got the Huawei P20 Pro, the latest phone by Huawei. I'm going to give you a quick unboxing and then I'm going to create another video for you to have a look at all of the features compared to the Galaxy S9, which is the phone that I currently have. And I'm also going to be taking pictures between the two phones and giving you a comparison of which one is better, which one does better in low lighting and so on. So let's go ahead and open this and see what's in the box. Okay, let's go ahead and open this. Now I've got this in blue. It's pretty slim. It's got a good metallic feel to it. Let's go and see what else we have in the box. So this is pretty cool. It comes with a clear case as well, which you don't get to see in many other phones. We have the user guide, warranty card. This is the SIM card tray opener. You've got your plug, the USB data cable and charger, and you also have some pretty cool headphones which resemble the Apple AirPods a little bit. And of course you've got your headphone adapter as well, because there's no headphone jack on this phone. And that's pretty much everything in the box. Pretty straightforward. I do like the fact that they give you a clear case as well, which is awesome. So that's a really good plus point from Huawei P20. So thanks for watching guys. I hope you like the unboxing. Please do subscribe. I've got some videos coming out to compare the Huawei P20 Pro with my Galaxy S9 Plus and give you some comparisons of pictures, features and so on. So keep an eye out for that, and I hope to see you guys next time. Take care.